Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Camry rear brake pads. First, park your Camry on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake. Loosen the lug nuts on the rear wheels, but do not remove them yet. Safely lift the vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands. This ensures your safety throughout the entire process. Remember, safety is always the top priority when working on your car. Now that your vehicle is secure, completely remove the lug nuts and the wheel. Locate the two caliper guide bolts on the back of the brake caliper. Use a 14mm wrench to loosen and remove these bolts. Gently slide the entire caliper assembly off the brake rotor and support it without letting it hang by the brake line. Then, you can easily remove the worn-out brake pads from the caliper bracket. Before installing the new pads, you will need to compress the caliper piston. Use a C-clamp or a brake caliper compression tool to push the piston back into its housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they fit snugly. Carefully slide the caliper back over the rotor and reinsert the two guide bolts, tightening them securely to 25 foot-pounds. With the new pads and caliper in place, reinstall the wheel and hand-tighten the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle and then fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to 76 foot-pounds. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This seats the new pads and ensures proper brake function. Finally, take your Camry for a short, slow test drive in a safe area to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.